Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your tail lamp. This one crack right here on a Kia Rio. This is a 2015. So if your Kia Rio look like this, so you change it, alright? You want to come under here, take out this, like that. And you want to get those 10mm, and you also want to unplug this right here by squeezing squeeze right there. So you squeeze right here to unplug it. Alright, so now I'm going to take out those 10mm. So I'm going to take out those 10mm. Just be careful not to drop any. And guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Help me help you. So you just want to hold it and pull it out now at this point. Alright, so hold it on. Okay. And you want to get your new tail lamp. Alright, this one comes with all the bulbs inside, so that's good. Go ahead and line it up. Alright, get your screws, tighten them up, lock this back in. This one missing something right there. And that's it guys, you want to go ahead and test the function of your lamp, which you can do on your own. And thank you guys for your love and support. Please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button if I help you. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel too. Help me help you guys. You can also leave a small donation down below, link in the description. Alright, see you next time.